Hi everyone. A friend of mine sent us, a few of us, this article this morning about warnings that England is having about a heat wave. It's pretty warm here, and for the benefit of my LA friends, I thought you'd find this slightly amusing. It's the kind of media that we have, and we're being warned. So the article starts off like this. It says, how to stay cool as Met Office declares level 3 heat wave. It declares it. It's pretty serious stuff. And then it says, England's football team, Jack and Danny on Love Island, an endless supply of warm weather. The summer of 2018 has been a classic. But the heat wave roasting Britain will step up a gear this week, and is expected to reach potentially dangerous levels. It's going to be really dangerous. We should be really, really scared. The Met Office has issued a level 3 heatwave alert. The next step, level 4, which comes after 3, constitutes a national emergency. We should be really, really fearful right now. It has reached a level where Brits are advised to look after themselves and stay as cool as possible. And don't forget that this is the beautiful bit. We need to remember that we're in this all together. All together. So if at any point you're feeling warm, remember that there's someone else also warm near you. It's beautiful. So make sure any vulnerable friends, family and neighbours are coping in the sweltering conditions. If you're desperate to cool down, here are some tips you can follow to prevent yourself from overheating. By the way, it's not that warm. It's around 80, 85, about 20, 23 degrees. It says if you can, consider getting out of your home or outdoor shade or public building will often be cooler. So basically, go outside to a shade, go and stand under a tree. Doesn't matter what you're doing, go and stand under a tree because it's going to be cooler. The NHS, this is the National Health Service, to see the comment, the NHS recommends visiting, National Health Service recommends visiting supermarkets, grocery stores, libraries or places of worship to cool off. So basically go and hang out in supermarkets if you're getting too warm. But avoid making a long journey during the middle of the day. At home, take a cool bath or shower and make sure you identify the coolest room in the house. As a family, you need to get together and identify the coolest room in the house. Maybe put a label on the door, and maybe have some signposts pointing at it so you know where the coolest room in the house is. It's really important. Anything you can do to cool down your home, even a small amount, will help towards making life more bearable in the heat. Obviously, ensure your central heating is turned off. If it's 90 degrees, turn off your heating. It's not a good idea to have heating on if it's really hot at the same time. And then it says, the NHS advises people to cover and shut windows that are exposed to direct sunlight when it's hotter outside. That means curtains and blinds should be drawn during the day, and even if possible, avoid dark coloured curtains which can make the room hotter. When the air feels cooler outside, at night for example, then you can open the windows when it is safe to do so. There's a few little things about avoiding the tan because temperatures aren't going away. And then it says avoid between 11 and 3. And then it says, the next bit's brilliant. It says, where possible, talks about avoiding caffeine and that kind of stuff. And then it says, where possible, ditch heavy, thick clothing for cooler items. So take off your ski suit, get rid of all the ski wear, ditch it, put shorts and t-shirts on, because it's just going to make you too warm. If you're too warm, put fewer clothes on. So that's in the metro, and we've just got to be really careful, everyone, because it's getting really warm. I hear the metro is employing children now. If you have some children looking for a journalism job, they're recruiting. And I would like to say it's been very useful health advice, and if you'd like some more health advice, we've actually got a really cool event coming up in a week, which is actually about how to heal your own body. And you won't see anything in the media about how to do that. So I'm going to put a little link below that for that. So I hope you found that very interesting. We need to be very, very careful over here. Very careful. Thanks for watching.